trying to work. You're all disrupting me. I'm looking at this and this. I don't want to talk to you with that. 7, 8 different bumper variants. There's different options of the bumper, so making sure there's the right amount of parking sensors in the right places. So this one's got a camera, so there might be an option with a camera, without a camera, and things like that. So I'm just double checking, Nate. Wrapped edge. Everything's wrapped, apart from the wheel arch. It's not showing that can be wrapped on the wheel arch, but it definitely can. We'll extend that, make sure that's wrapped there.
See what it looks like with the roof?
Yeah. What's cool with the roof down?
That's naughty, isn't it? Oh, Dan!
While you're watching them so intensely.
Trying something new. This is the shape of the bonnet. The pattern we've got has a join. You might have to use the pattern, but we're trying to do it in one piece.
Has it not worked?
No.
I got no drip in my pocket. Must have forgot it, or maybe I already lost it. Don't got enough to go cop it. I'm about to take off like a rocket. Houston, we might have a problem, but that don't mean money will solve them. No, that don't mean money will solve them. I got it. No, really, don't worry. I don't want no Burberry glowing like the sun, or maybe a little Mercury shooting like I'm Booker, but nobody ever heard of me. You don't got 5 O's when I say word to me. Nah, but really, y'all been acting silly. I got no drip in my pocket, yeah. Must have forgot it, or maybe I already lost it.
Just doing the windscreen PPF. You got to excuse the background noise. Basically, I went to turn the radio down and everyone started kicking off, so we just got to leave it going because it's like we're having a rave here. Windscreen PPF going on this is very hard. It's a very wide screen, but the curve on it is particularly hard. So this windscreen will be it'll be thousands of pounds. Obviously, you'll have windscreen cover, but it's the little chips that are going to go on the car that you'll get little chips in it that won't justify having it replaced, that you'd have to live with. They're annoying, and also you don't want an aftermarket. You just don't want the windscreen changed in the car. If you can keep the genuine windscreen in the car, it's just nicer, isn't it? It's just better.
It's just you, me, and the odds. We stuck together, we 2 peas in a pod. You dealt a bad hand, I'm there seizing the cards. We'll never be separated till we seeing the gods. We've been low together, high forever. Long as we go together, we'll die whenever.
I will be